Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a TA of MEXC token. Before we do the TA of MEXC token, remember guys, we still have ongoing giveaway with 20,000 DYOR token and one warm NFT to give away. It's pretty simple to join this giveaway. Watch the previous video how to join this giveaway, and of course join our Discord server so you guys can get your prize if you win. Good luck guys. MEXC token had a parabolic move to the upside in the start of this bull run. They're still staying strong, and you might ask, why is that? Well guys, let's dive into it and analyze. MEXC token is a native token of MEXC global exchange, which means every time people use MEXC global exchange, there's a utility for the MEXC token. So by holding MEXC token, you can be on the launch pad, you can get trading fee discount and all of the benefit by holding the MEXC token. Now what does that mean for the price of MEXC token? Well, simple guys, TA 101, it creates a huge demand, and we know from TA, as I've been saying all the time, when the demand is greater than the supply, the price surge for the upside. MEXC Global Exchange are also the sponsor of a lot of my videos at the moment, but I'm still going to give my unbiased view of them. Before we jump into the TA of MEXC token, let me explain you about the MEXC Global Exchange and what you can do with it. They have derivatives where you can leverage trade if you want, future trade. You can spot trade or margin trade. Also, you can stake your tokens. Not to mention, they have their own launchpad and Kickstarter where you can see new upcoming projects. A fast look at coin market cap and the ranking of these exchanges. They are top 20 exchange with a rating of 6.3. Daily, they have a volume of over 1 billion. Now, the most important for me is not only the volume, but the liquidity. And they have an average liquidity of 521. The reason liquidity is important in the exchange, guys. If you trade and there's no money, which people haven't put any bid or ask orders, and you just buy, well, there's no money to get, right? If you want to sell. Therefore, liquidity is important in any exchange. So always look at liquidity. If you look at the weekly visitors, we can see they have more than 1 million visitors every week. All right, we can also see they have more than 1,409 coins. That is insane. I believe some of them are shit coins, so I kind of suggest you guys to be careful when you trade with these kind of random coins, but it's still great to see all of this utility, all of this use case for some of the coins which are not in the popular exchange. The best part, guys, is there's no KYC, know your customer, which means within 5 minutes you can get an account and just trade, alright? It's just insane because a lot of the top 20 exchanges you need KYC. You can of course trade up to 10 Bitcoin if there's no KYC, but that's still a lot of money. And they just got licensed in the USA. I know that a lot of people from the state have a hard time to get some of the coins like XRP and so on. But like I said, you don't have to do KYC, so you can actually trade XRP and a lot of other coins. I will provide you guys with a link down below. You can use my link to get a 10% trading fee discount, and you will also get a $10 Bitcoin airdrop with a $500 giveaway from the MEXC Global Exchange. If we jump into the TA of MEXC token, it is actually looking good. We have an oversold RSI in the daily. We have an oversold RSI stock, and in the MACD we have oversold, and we are in a demand zone where we can accumulate. Now the only issue I see for the moment is the Bitcoin price, because all coins are correlated with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is correlated with S&P 500, which opens tomorrow, guys. So if S&P 500 does badly, it will drag all the altcoins and Bitcoins down with it. If you look at the SMA, we are under the 21, 30, 15, 200 SMA. That is a bearish formation, guys. So if somehow in the daily MEXC token manage to go above all these resistance levels as you guys seeing here, which is the strongest one, which is at this price level, which is around $1.7. If we go over that, we can use that as a support. However, there's the golden ratio we also have to go down, and at least SMA. So TA101, we have a lot of resistance we have to go above before we can see reversal to the upside. If we fail, guys, we can go around this area, the 1.7 level, and then we will go down and tank down to a support level right over here. But again, it is way too uncertain to say it, because at the moment everything is correlated with Bitcoin, and we have to wait tomorrow and see how the traditional market opens. We can of course use these indicators that are telling us that we are oversold, we need to have a bounce back and so on, but they get invalidated because we also have a recession going on, right? So if the market opens bad, these kind of things doesn't matter, then the price will tank. Always keep an eye on that, guys. But in the long term, and if we enter a bear market, that will be a great opportunity to accumulate some MEXC token if you're a believer in the exchange and in this token. If you're still here watching, I kind of assume you're enjoying this content, so why not check the recommended video on the left corner? Go click it, guys. And yeah, guys, see you on the Discord server.